Thermo Heratherm microbiological incubators and ovens are used to provide reliable temperature control for a variety of industries. Today, we'll show you how to optimize your analytical testing requirements by using the Thermo Heratherm shelving system. First, let's take a look at the Heratherm microbiological incubator. The front shelving support rails will not be installed. Prior to installation, remove and discard the security foil from the rail. Ensure that the lock on the inner glass door of the chamber has been installed, following proper assembly instructions. For units with right-hand hinge, install the door lock to the back of the support rail so the flat edge of the lock is exposed. This flat edge will make contact with the left wall, which will orient your lock correctly. If you wish to install your door with a left-hand hinge, please refer to the assembly instructions included in your user manual. Before the support rail can be installed, you will also need to insert the retaining spring into the top of the rail. You'll notice that the thermocouple is at the bottom of the unit and the access port is on the upper right-hand side of the back wall. In mechanical convection units, like the one shown here, the back shelf supports are pre-installed. Let's install the front support rails. All support rails are installed in the same manner. Insert the support rail so the bottom of the rail is aligned behind the raised protrusions on the bottom of the unit. The rounded edge of the support rail will align with the rounded corners of the Heratherm unit, and the support rail will be flush with the corner. Lever the support rail into place and squeeze down on the support spring to marry the support rail flush with the sidewall. When properly installed, the support spring will be tensioned against the raised protrusions located at the top of the instrument chamber. Repeat this support rail installation with the rail on the right-hand side of the chamber. If you have a gravity convection unit, you will also need to repeat this step with the support rails located in the back of the unit. Once the shelf support rail is installed, the next step is to install the shelf supports on each side wall. Orient the fixture so the vertical element is flush with the support rail. To facilitate meeting the correct holes with the shelf supports, match oval or round hole in front and back and side to side to ensure proper alignment. Repeat on the opposite side. Next, push the shelf into the shelf supports with the tilt protection device facing the rear of the incubator. The shelf is now installed. All Heratherm microbiological incubators come standard with 2 perforated stainless steel shelves. The second shelf is installed with the shelf supports at your desired position in the same manner. Users have the ability to order more shelves or different shelving types to fit various application needs. Shelf sizes vary between mechanical and gravity convection units, as well as chamber sizes, so it's important to carefully review your options before ordering. Please refer to thermofisher.com for shelving ordering options. Now, let's take a look at the Heratherm oven. When we open the Heratherm oven, you'll notice some slight differences from the microbiological incubators. Depending on your oven model, the back wall may also be different from the unit shown here. Note that the thermocouple is located at the top of the unit and the access port is located at the upper right-hand side of the back wall. The back shelf support systems are not installed in the gravity convection units, but will be installed in the mechanical convection units like the one shown here. While the Heratherm ovens come standard with an inner glass door, before the shelf can be installed, the retaining springs will need to be inserted into the guide on the support rail. Then, the support rail can be snapped into place using the same raised protrusions on the bottom and top of the unit to guide the rails. Next, insert the shelf support into the perforations of the support rail and tilt them downwards. Finally, push the shelf onto the shelf supports with the tilt protection device facing to the rear of the unit. Insert the shelf until the shelf is flush with the back wall. The shelf is now installed. All Heratherm ovens come standard with 2 wire mesh shelves. Please refer to thermofisher.com for shelving ordering options. Designed to provide long-term performance with an array of solutions to match your needs, Heratherm microbiological incubators and Heratherm ovens are equipped to handle routine and advanced applications. They enable maximum efficiency, safety, and ease of use all while prioritizing user flexibility. We hope you found this video helpful. For more information or questions, please visit us at thermofisher.com.